Hi everyone! Welcome back to PWG Group YouTube channel. But before we start, please don't forget to follow our Facebook page, Instagram, and Twitter account.
For today's video guys, we will illustrate the salary comparison for Poland, Czech Republic, Germany, and Canada. But before anything else, please always consider that it is just a minimum amount because it will have the possibility of getting higher, especially if you work more hours.
That's correct, because as we mentioned in our previous video that here in Europe and Canada, the basis of your income is based on how many hours you will work, which means the more hours, the higher salary you can get. But before we start, for those new here, please don't forget to subscribe on this channel for more informative videos. Now, let's get started!
Now, let's talk about the Poland salary. Poland is one of the fast-growing economies in Europe and offers a wide range of salary depending on the job offer. The minimum gross wage per hour in Poland in 2021 amounted to 18.30 zloty gross per hour. And the good news is, it was proposed that the minimum hourly wage for work in 2022 should amount to 19.60 zloty gross per hour. Well, for the blue-collar jobs like factory workers, cleaner, etc., it ranges from 3,000 to 4,000 zloty net per month. And for the white-collar jobs like office job, IT, or skilled workers, it ranges to 4,000 to 5,500 zloty net per month as of this year 2021. Well, if you check the previous year, it was an increase to 7 to 8% yearly. So it means we expect that in 2022 or every year here in Poland, they will offer a good amount of salary for their workers.
Now let's continue to Czech Republic. Czech Republic is certainly ranked among the best places to live in a quality of life indexes and similar surveys, which seems to come out every month to reiterate what its citizens already know. Czech life is good. Affordable living is perhaps one of the most important considerations you have as an expat, and that's the cost of living. Compared with the most countries in Europe, the Czech Republic is below average when it comes to the expenses of everyday goods and services. Well, starting 1 January 2022, the minimum wage in the Czech Republic will increase by 1,000 Czech Koruna, its Czech Republic currency money. So from 15,200 Czech Koruna to 16,200 Czech Koruna per month. This applies to employees with a weekly standard working time of 40 hours. The minimum hourly wage will increase from 90.50 Czech Koruna to 96.40 Czech Koruna. The average monthly wage will increase from 35,441 Czech Koruna to 38,911 Czech Koruna in 2022.
Let's proceed to Germany. While minimum wage regulations have existed in other European countries for some time, the first federal minimum wage in Germany was only approved in 2014 under the Minimum Wage Act. Before this, the country primarily relied on trade unions and business groups to set minimum wages. According to the trading economic data, wages in Germany increased by around 1.5% year-on-year. By this year 2021, it increased to 9.50 euro per hour, and we expect by 2022 will increase to 9.60 euro per hour. It is estimated that the minimum net salary starts from 1,500 to 2,500 euro per month.
And of course, the last but not the least is Canada. The minimum wage in Canada varies by the province and territory you reside in. It ranges from 11.32 to 16 Canadian dollars per hour. Well, there is no mandatory minimum rate of pay for workers in Canada. Pay rates must be agreed upon directly with the employer through the collective bargaining or other means of negotiating a fair living wage. Each jurisdiction has its own labor laws that determine the minimum pay workers receive, employees' rights and working conditions, the minimum age to work, overtime rules, trade unions, and more. In general, the estimated monthly salary of our workers that possibly can be received is from 1,500 to 2,000 Canadian dollars for our blue-collar jobs, like for example, factory workers, and vegetable pickers. Then, 2,000 to 3,000 Canadian dollars for our skilled workers like nurses, carpenters, and welders.
There you have it, guys. Thank you for always trusting PWD Group and giving us the chance of helping you to fulfill your dream despite all the issues and negativity.
That's right, because PWD is an equal opportunity employer and makes all your employment decision based on your qualification without regards of your race, color of your skin, religion, gender identity, or national origin.
That's true. I hope this video, guys, would inspire you by choosing which country would suit your needs. Well, for more information, you can visit directly to our 4 offices in Oberoi, Dubai, Sharjah City Gate Tower, Ras Al Khaimah, and of course, Al Reem, Abu Dhabi, UAE.
That's all for now, guys. Advance Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everyone.
Bye!